Welcome to Sign With Me. Today we're going to do our alphabet. Do you remember your alphabet? Well, let's sing it together. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job! Let's do it again, but slowly so we can practice. Are you ready? Get your hand. Wiggle those fingers. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job! Let's think of words that start with each letter of the alphabet. Can you think of a word that starts with A? I think of astronaut. Can you put your helmet on and go into space? Astronaut starts with A. What word starts with B? I think of book. Do you like to read books? Me too. Book starts with B. What word starts with C? A cat. Meow, meow. Cat starts with C. What word starts with D? A dog. A dog starts with D. What's a word that starts with E? I think of elephant. Elephant starts with E. What word starts with F? Family. Family. We all have a family. Family starts with F. What word starts with G? Golf. Do you guys know how to golf? Golf starts with G. What's a word that starts with H? Our hands start with H. Our hands. Let's sing a song about our hands. Are you ready? My hands above my head I place, on my shoulders, on my face, at my waist and by my side, and then behind me they will hide. And I will raise my hands up high and let my fingers fly, fly, fly. Then clap, 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 and 1, 2, 3. Let's see how quiet they can be. Great job! Wiggle those fingers one more time. What word starts with I? Ice cream. Take your ice cream cone and you lick the ice cream cone. Ice cream starts with I. What word starts with J? I think of jump. Jump starts with J. What word starts with K? I think of key. Key starts with K. What do we use keys for? I have keys. We use a key to open a door or to start a car. Here are my keys. Keys starts with K. What starts with L? Love. Love starts with L. Oh, love. What word starts with M? What can you think of? I think of moose. Moose starts with M. I have a moose right here. He's got nice big green antlers. What word starts with N? A nest? A little baby bird nest starts with N. What word starts with O? What can you think of? Octopus? Octopus starts with O. How many tentacles does an octopus have? Let's count them real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do you remember 8 in sign language? That's right. Great job. What's a word that starts with P? P. Puzzle starts with P. I think I have a puzzle we can do. Should we try? I have a puzzle here that I need help putting together. Can you help me? Let's start with the eyes. Where do the eyes of this crab go? Right here? I don't think so. Over here? No. Right there. Great job. Okay, let's do one of the claws. Where does this claw go? Right there? No. Right here? Almost. Right there. Great job. Okay, should we put the crab's shell? Where does the big shell go? Right here on his foot? No. I think it goes right there. Where does the crab's foot go? Where can we put the crab's foot? Right there. It doesn't quite fit right there. Right here. Almost. I think it goes right there. Great job. Can you help me with the crab's other claw? Let's find out where it goes. Awesome job. We have one more piece of the puzzle. Tell me where to stop. Stop. Great job. Thank you for helping me finish the puzzle of the crab. What word starts with Q? What words can you think of that start with Q? I think of queen. Queen starts with Q. What word starts with R? Rooster starts with R. What sound does a rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo! That's right. What word starts with S? Swim. Do you like to go swimming in the summertime? Swim starts with S. What word starts with T? Tree starts with T. Tree. What word starts with U? Umbrella. When do we use an umbrella? When it's raining outside, we use an umbrella. What word starts with V? V. Vacuum starts with V. What word starts with W? What can you think of? Water. Water starts with W. Do you like to drink water after playing? What word starts with X? What words can you think of that start with X? Xylophone. A xylophone starts with X. What word starts with Y? What words can you think of that start with Y? Yes. Yes. Yes, please. Yes starts with Y. What word starts with Z? What can you think of? A zebra. Zebra starts with Z. Great job doing your alphabet. You guys did a great job learning your alphabet today. Let's sing it again. Can you get your hand up? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That was amazing. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.